Hey, what's up, guys? This is Daniel from Bar Shield, kind of doing a different kind of bar tip this week. So this is episode 75. We've kind of leaked a little bit about doing some sort of barbell, ebook or slash like a guide as far as like trying to help you buy a barbell and going through that process, just because it could be kind of complex, especially nowadays after like CrossFit and functional fitness. Now that all these companies are springing up, anywhere from Rogue Fitness to Lead FTS, American Barbell, and some of the other major ones down there like Fringe Sport, again, faster. So basically, a lot of these companies are offering upwards of 10 barbells. I mean, Rogue makes like $1 million now, it seems like. So if you're starting a gym or if you have a home gym, it can be kind of difficult to know where to start if you're not well versed in weightlifting or functional fitness, or like what do you actually need. So kind of what we made was it's a 23-page ebook taking you through some of the things you need to consider when buying a bar, whether it's you're buying a single barbell for yourself, or if you're buying 20, 30, 40 bars for a pretty large gym. So there's a lot of things to consider, from the budget, where do you live, how much you're looking to spend. I mean, a lot of it kind of goes into it, and we kind of laid it out in like a sequential order to help you kind of, check them off your list, if you will. So I'm going to show you at the end of the video just kind of a quick run through. So what we're going to do here is, if you click the link below, or if you go to our Instagram profile and click the link in our profile, you can actually click on Barbell ebook and you can get the ebook for free. We're not going to charge anything for this or anything, just kind of a free thing to kind of help the community out as far as assisting you with buying a bar again. So if you have any questions, or if there's anything else that you think is missing, or if there are any particular questions, please just hit us up. info@barshieldUSA.com, or you can always DM us on Instagram fairly quickly to respond on there. So thanks and happy lifting.